Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to do puddle light replacement in the Mark III Mondeo. It's a fairly simple procedure. So as always, if you like the videos, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and if you're a new viewer, consider subscribing and also give them a thumbs up. Let's crack on. Okay, so to replace the puddle lights on your wing mirrors, select the side you want, a driver or passenger, and tilt the mirror so it's right up. And then inside here, you get a flat head or something, and then looking for the little metal clip, you tuck it, you push it in, and it pulls down from underneath. And you retract. This bit comes out. I'm replacing this bulb with a T10 LED, bright white. Okay, so then we put this back in, like so, tuck back up, and then just click it back in. And that's it, job done.